What is Prysmian Group made of? Prysmian is made of people. People with the drive to lead and succeed. People with the ability to create simplicity out of complexity. People who are looked on with trust by colleagues, customers, and partners. Prysmian is made of people like you. And together, we're making great things possible. We're helping to deliver more sustainable energy, safeguarding the planet for future generations. We're paving the way for a new era in digital communication, connecting cities, countries, and continents. We're underpinning the creation of a more efficient global infrastructure for the benefit of everyone. We're helping our customers achieve their goals and aspirations, staying close to them and responding to their changing needs. And while conditions are fierce in the marketplace, no one can match our ability to meet challenges head-on, or match our strength as one united team. To be resilient in the face of adversity. To succeed where others give up. Together, we're making all this possible.